How do you do a Facebook Live from your desktop? I'm coming to you from a Mac desktop, but I'm using Chrome here. So the features will be the same whether you're going from a Windows or from a Mac, because we're using Chrome. So that's familiar. You can also do this, it looks very much the same from Firefox. So this is how it is that you do a Facebook Live in a group. That's the purpose of this video, so I'll show you. So my first tip is you navigate to the group that you're going to. Otherwise, when you go live, you've got to go through and select the group, and that'll be really complicated. So go where it is that you want to go, and then in the area here where you're wanting to write a post, when you click the More button, it gives you the live video option. So you just select that and it will open up the browser window for you to go live. This is where you select the features that you need to select. It will give you a little window to show you what's being seen, but you can also scroll up here, and this is where the video actually is. So hello. But let's just scroll down, because these are the features that you want to have selected when you're looking at going live now. It's use the camera, and this is where the setup is. Select your audio, so whether it be a USB or the display audio. You know that your audio is working because you're having this volume bar come up. So this is just a simple tutorial on how to go live. This is where you'd select either your group, your timeline, or your page if you wanted to do something different. But we're just going, so because we selected already, we were in the group and then we selected to go live, it already has pre-populated. It's in a group and the name of the group. You're able to type in the title for the video. And then here you can type in your description, and if you want you can use these other features as well, or tag anybody else. So once you've done that, you can either fill in the description now, or you can, if you're wanting to go live in a hurry, you can just press the go live button, and then you can come back after the video has been published. You can come back and just edit the description just like you would edit any other post. So here we're just waiting for it to go live, and you know you're live when a little pop-up appears. There you go, to let you know that you are currently live on video. The features that you have access to while you're in live, you've got this panel over here where you can see any comments that are coming through and you can comment on those. This tells you where it is that you're going live. You've got a counter so that you know how long it is that you are, because my recommendation is to keep videos, unless it's a specific training video or something that you've pre-arranged that people are aware of. A general easy live, I usually like to only make them several minutes, no more than about 10 minutes, unless, like I said, you've got something very specific and so that people know what they sign up for. Otherwise, long lives, people don't watch them. Okay, so when it is that you've said what you want to say and you're ready to end your live, be aware that while you do this, you'll still be showing live, and that's why sometimes you see people's eyes darting about while it is that they're trying to run their desktop features. So here you'll have your end live button. You select that. Remember, you're still going live while it is that you get this box that comes up. So it says if you end this video now, you'll be able to choose if you want to save or delete it. So when you're actually going live, you'll be aware of what that will be. So you can, as soon as it watch out for when it pops up, and then quickly press the end button, because as I said, it'll continue to go live until it has done that. So you can delete the video, you can view the post, you can rate it. Okay, your video has ended. So here I'll just select to go to the post. It says you're ended. And there you can actually view the post. You can come back and just edit the description. There we go. we've just got the live running there, and this is where you can go in and you can edit the video. And when you edit the video, you can tag yourself in there. This has 3 different thumbnails to choose from. This one looks better. Here you can edit the title, you can edit the description, you can put in your location and any other things. So if you do have an SRT file, which is the live minute by minute transcription of what it is that you're saying, this is where you'll be able to add it. And there you go. Once you've made all of those changes, then you press save and you've got your video good to go with all of those changes. There, I've just turned the volume off. Okay, so that is my how to go live in Facebook using Chrome video tutorial. And I hope that was helpful for you. Feel free to make any comments if you have any questions, or send me a post. You can find me at www.soulbusinessacademy.com.au. Hope that was helpful for you. Bye for now.